ng kursong Landscape Architecture sa UP Diliman pero nauwi sa pagiging isang sikat na balladeer. Sino siya? Kilalanin natin na up close and personal ang Asia's top idol at magaling na singer na si Christian Bautista. Nandito kami sa Gold Gem Hotel Intercontinental at kasama ko ang napaka-talented na si Christian Bautista.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, so to kick things off, what is it like to be in your shoes?
It's my 7th year, I believe. So far, so good. The album's doing good. I have an album out, Romance Revisited. It's a love song of Jose Marichan, like a beautiful girl is there.
Bukod sa pagiging isang certified musician, model endorser din ng isang sikat na clothing line itong si Christian Bautista. Pero napansin niyo ba ang pagbabago ng image ng ating international balladeer? Your image is more of wholesome? What happened now your image looks so sexy?
Right now, we're just really showing everybody that good boys can still really be tough
Good boys can still be sexy as the
and sexy and tough.
So, how do you keep so fit?
Well, right now, going to the gym is very important. Eating right is very important also. Sleeping also is very important, I believe. With this busy schedule, you have to really manage your time.
So what hobbies do you do besides that? Kasi syempre, not just, di ba?
Basketball, occasional wakeboarding at either Camsur or Batangas. Sometimes we play golf with my dad, and or sometimes badminton with friends. Very sporty. Our dad really taught us all the sports that he knew.
Ngayong araw na ito, sasamahan ko ang sexy balladeer na si Christian sa kanyang pag-workout dito sa Gold's Gym. So what's your favorite part to work out?
Well, right now I think I need more chest or upper body. So this is an incline press, or it's also a chest press. So it's very safe because it's a machine, so you don't really injure your back, and it's really focused on your chest. Ready? Go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just hold
Can
it.
you help me?
Hold this. There. Hold it in the middle. Alright. It's up to you. Alright. You have to help me, or else this will fall. Alright. Ready. Okay, ready? Set. Careful.
Oh my God.
Can you do it? Alright,
You're
go.
scaring me.
You have to lift it. You have to help me. Go. Okay, it's okay.
Hindi ako natutuwa. Okay, so this one works out your what?
Yeah, still my chest.
Ito pa ang isa sa mga favorite machines ni Christian sa gym, ang military press machine.
You can actually do a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
Pwede
this
ka
is-
rin mag-chest dito.
This is a small machine.
What's good about this is that it's safe.
What specific body part are you working on
Working
now?
on the shoulders.
Oh, okay.
As you push up.
Siyempre, hindi ko rin pinalagpas ang pagkakataon na magpa-train kay Christian.
Okay. Another machine that I really like is this hand machine. And I asked her a question. Ito rin daw ang gusto niyang i-work out sa kanyang very, very slim figure. So, pangdagdag lang to. So, here we go. Here's the abdominal machine. Could you please
Okay, what do
sit
I
right
do?
here? Plant your feet. Okay. Scratch your core. Push.
Push down?
Push down.
Oh my God!
Alright. And then as you push down, you have to tighten your stomach. Release it. Tight. So can you feel it? You feel the burn?
Yes!
Yeah? Okay, let's increase it. Come on, you can do it.
Okay, this is for you, Christian?
Alright, come on. Good for the country. One more. Good for the show. Okay, good for yourself.
My feet are lifting up. Kahit medyo nahirapan ako doon, masaya naman akong nakilala ko ang isa sa mga hinahangaan kong male singer sa Pilipinas. More multi-platinum albums to come, Christian!